In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to create a control panel for managing all of your drip campaigns. So in this example, we've created a field group, and inside that field group, we've added some fields with drop-down values for just on or off values. Now, what we've done is we built drip campaigns that will allow any one of these drip campaigns to be turned on or off just by simply selecting on or off from this value. So these can be updated from a sales process, they can be updated manually. I'll just walk you through the steps that were involved in creating the drip campaign and putting it on the field group here. So first step would be to create the custom fields. So we go into the account, setup, custom fields, and you can see here's our custom fields that we created. And we did a character string type, and we added two values on and off and submitted each of those, and we did that for each of the campaigns that we wanted to create. Now step 2 is we needed to create an advanced search, so we went into advanced search and we selected for each one of these equals on. So in this case we did drip client for life equals on, and we saved that. So under saved searches, we ended up with a saved search for each of our campaigns. Next step is we needed to create the drip campaigns themselves. So you can follow the wizard to create the drip campaign. Basically, we created the emails and then we associated them with the drip campaign with a series of dates, and then we went into the advanced drip campaign settings, and then this is where we go in and we set the search criteria. So for short sale client buyer, we want to limit the drip campaign to be delivered based on people that match that search. Now what this does, this makes it so as soon as that is switched to off, that it no longer satisfies this criteria and that they would be moved out of the campaign. So the next step is to trigger the campaign to go out to the individual contacts. So we go into our background workflow engine and we do schedule campaigns, and we would create a new, and we would select one of our searches. So in this one we will grab our buyer campaign, short sale buyer. So this is the contact save search. You have to have a contact save search. You won't see anything in this drop down. You have to have a drip campaign created and published, or you won't see anything here. These fields here allow you to update a custom field when you attach the drip campaign. This is helpful if you're doing a drip campaign that you want to have multiple occurrences. Our drip campaign is a one-time occurrence in this example. Then we submit that. So now I've got those couple of campaigns built. When I go back to my contact record, I've got this field group built so that if I turn on either of those, that campaign would be on appropriately. Now the last piece of this is just putting those fields onto the page layout. If you haven't ever built a field group, this is an example of a field group. It can open, it can close. Field groups can be found under the layout button. If you click this contact fields link right here, and then this is where you can set up your field group. So you'd click create new. I've already got my drip campaign controls set up. So I've made this a 2-column mode. When you first come in here, you'll see 1 column, so you just change it to 2, and then you hit the submit button at the bottom of the page, and then you just add your fields just like you want on a page layout into your field group. And then you go back into the section of the page that you want to put the field group on. So if you want it in the main section, you'd put it here. There's 6 available tabs. You can put it on any of the 6 available tabs as well. Main section seems to be a good place. And that is how you create a drip campaign control field group.